Most walking pads sold online are underpowered junk built to fail within months. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Ever tried to stay consistent with a slow, noisy walking pad at home? Today, I'm going to be going over the best walking pad that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Superun Walking Pad. From the first setup, this under-desk treadmill feels tailored for apartment dwellers and busy professionals seeking a compact, quiet, efficient workout companion. Its build quality blends lightweight 35-pound frame with rugged alloy chassis and a slim 3.94-inch profile. The 6% incline dresses the walking pad with incline-capable workouts that realistically mimic uphill climbs, doubling calorie burn over flat surfaces. A 2.5 horsepower motor powers smooth operation, supporting walking and light jogging while maintaining stability across a rugged alloy frame. Whisper quiet operation is achieved by a premium motor and a 5-layer shock-absorbing belt, delivering library-level serenity during work calls. Bright LED display tracks distance, time, calories, speed, heart rate, and steps while syncing with the PitPat app for global events. A compact remote control ships with the unit, letting you adjust speed without interrupting your focus during work or training sessions. The speed range covers walking to light jogging from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, tuned for comfort. In real-world tests, the platform delivered stable gradual acceleration with minimal vibration, maintaining tracking accuracy while under desk use. Compared to the Nordic Track under-desk treadmill, the Superun Walking Pad offers lighter weight and a more compact profile. The pros include lightweight design, whisper quiet operation, and a robust motor with ample speed range for daily workouts. The cons include 35-pound heft and a maximum incline of 6%, which could limit intense incline workouts. Bottom line, the Superun Walking Pad delivers portability, power, and smart features that suit a busy home office or apartment setup. At number 4, we have the Cardirun Walking Pad, a compact under-desk treadmill created for apartment living and focused, efficient daily cardio. This initial impression emphasizes its 10% incline and 2-in-1 design, targeting busy professionals and small spaces seeking efficient home workouts. Build quality blends a sturdy frame with a wide 36 by 16-inch running belt and 7-layer construction. The 10% manual incline mode adds a mountain climbing feel, letting you simulate hills and activate more muscle groups during workouts. An intuitive LED display provides real-time metrics, while the app compatibility and remote control enable effortless adjustments on the fly. The treadmill operates in 2 modes, offering walking and running, and a speed range from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. A built-in phone and tablet holder supports video calls or entertainment during work, while the foldable design enables compact storage under desks. The 7-layer anti-slip belt with 8 silicone shock absorbers cushions impact for knees and joints while maintaining stable grip. In realistic use, reviewers note smooth operation at walking pace and comfortable incline workouts that feel steady without excessive noise. This walking pad integrates with popular fitness apps and offers app connectivity without requiring any subscription, keeping personalization accessible. In practical terms, the Cardirun Walking Pad remains highly portable, easily folding for storage and sliding under a sofa between sessions. Exceptional customer service is emphasized, with responsive support channels and straightforward warranty guidance to ensure a smooth ownership experience. Compared to the Xiaomi Walking Pad X, the Cardirun offers a sturdier incline and a wider belt at the expense of slightly heavier weight. The pros include a wide running belt, a 10% incline, and a convenient foldable under-desk design. The cons include a relatively higher price point and a heavier footprint when compared with compact basic models available in the same category. At number 3, we have the PACEROCKER Walking Pad. From the outset, this under-desk treadmill presents a practical solution for busy homes, blending compact design with a surprisingly sturdy feel. Its frame uses reinforced steel and supports up to 450 pounds, signaling robust stability during longer sessions. Built-in wheels and a compact footprint allow easy maneuvering and simple storage under a desk, bed, or sofa. The design includes a 12% auto incline distributed across 9 adjustable levels, dramatically increasing workout intensity versus flat walking. A 2.5 horsepower motor powers smooth pacing up to 5 miles per hour, while remaining surprisingly quiet in typical home environments. Bluetooth connectivity couples with the FitYo app for interactive workouts and lets you stream motivating audio through the built-in speaker. 2 sound vents enhance audio clarity and keep the motor cool, ensuring a steady performance during longer incline sessions. The device remains remarkably compact for under-desk use and includes integrated wheels to facilitate quick repositioning. In practice, the incline operates smoothly and holds steady while guiding users through interval workouts across 9 levels. App integration with FitYo offers subscription-free courses, enhancing motivation without extra costs. Performance during tests aligns with the claimed top speed of 5 miles per hour and consistent incline response. Overall, the PACEROKKER Walking Pad feels purpose-built for home offices and small living spaces seeking active options without sacrificing space. Compared to a basic flat treadmill, this model delivers incline-driven intensity and higher weight capacity. The pros include sturdy steel frame, high weight capacity, and easy portability. The cons include higher price and larger footprint than ultra-compact under-desk treadmills. At number 2, we have the FOUSAE Walking Pad. This model showcases a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels incredibly durable during daily use and resilient against routine wear. Its compact footprint supports effortless repositioning around a shared workspace and remains unobtrusive when tucked beneath a desk. Powered by a 2.75 horsepower brushless motor, the machine balances robust performance with quiet operation in everyday training. The frame is engineered to support up to 350 pounds, giving peace of mind for a wide range of users. The built-in incline reaches 10%, simulating uphill walking and amplifying workout effectiveness when combined with sustained cardio sessions throughout the week. Incline adjustment is quick, taking only a second and requiring no screw tightening to change the grade. The device includes 12 HIIT programs, a notable advantage that delivers science-backed intervals to maximize calories burned and cardio benefits. This 4-in-1 multifunctional design supports working, walking, jogging, and incline training, offering a versatile solution for varied daily routines. A full-screen LED data display keeps essential metrics visible, while a silent remote control enables convenient operation from across the room. Noise levels stay comfortably below what most neighbors tolerate, thanks to built-in noise cancellation technology and a well-damped running surface. In practical use, the FOUSAE Walking Pad maintains a steady pace with smooth transitions when shifting from walking to jogging speeds. Compared with a typical under-desk treadmill in its class, the FOUSAE Walking Pad delivers stronger incline and richer HIIT options. The pros include strong motor performance, wide incline range, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level models and slightly bulky footprint due to the thickened frame. At number 1, we have the UREVO Strol 2E. From the moment you unbox it, this compact treadmill targets remote workers and small space setups seeking discreet but effective daily movement. The Strol 2E presents a sturdy frame with a 15 by 40.1-inch running surface and a compact foldable profile. The unit uses a 5-layer anti-slip belt, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads to cushion joints. Switch between running mode up to 6.2 miles per hour and walking mode up to 4 miles per hour. The LED display shows time, calories, steps, speed, and distance in real time, while the UREVO Sport app delivers detailed workout reports. A maintenance reminder notes applying lubricant every 125 miles to maintain belt performance and reduce friction over time. Compared with the Sunny Health SFT 4400, the Strol 2E demonstrates smoother belt operation and steadier stability. The pros include compact fold, robust frame with excellent wobble resistance, and precise real-time display that continuously updates metrics. The cons include a relatively higher price point and occasional connectivity hiccups with the companion app. In real-world tests, it maintains a stable belt during mid-range speeds and delivers smooth shocks thanks to 8 silicone absorbers. The design shines in space-saving thanks to rapid folding and a tidy silhouette that slides under desks or in small corners. For anyone seeking a flexible, low-impact cardio solution at home or in a compact office, the Strol 2E fits well. Setup is plug and play with a remote included, and the magnetic back keeps the remote secure when not in use. Overall, the UREVO Strol 2E redefines what a compact home treadmill can deliver for frequent desk workers seeking practical, enjoyable movement.